Yes, I got it. Right, go put the tackle on. Let's see if it's good.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am playing Do Not Press the Button number 3, and I am here with Eve and Cameron, if he wants to answer, I guess.
Hi.
Oh, Cameron is here. Just making sure.
Nice. It's an outro.
So, happy Friday. Eve's down here video, that's why she's still on mute. Whoa! Woo! That's amazing. Oh, I'm going to press the button. I'm pressing the button. Again! Woo!
Remember that old junk? Like,
what are you playing?
We're playing Don't Press the Button 3. Let's go, Eve. Whee! I just went backwards. Ah!
And now we're doing challenge.
Code Red. Samantha, Code Red.
Wait,
Wait, I don't even know it's Samantha. I do that all the time now. It's just fun. Right, let me down. I want to go down there. I want to play Hole in the Wall. Let me play Hole in the Wall.
This is one of the villages.
Why can't I play Hole in the Wall?
Back to another video. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button 3.
The abandoned never portal here.
I want to play Hole in the Wall. Let me out. I love Hole in the Wall. Oh, I'm falling. Oh, I pressed the button. I pressed the button. I think something's gonna happen. Wait, Eve, I need to get up here. Oh, lava's rising. Samantha, we have a problem.
I just climbed up. I'm on the highest building.
Abandoned.
No. Oh,
That's
that's
where we
not
used to live.
You fell.
Oh, are you on a live stream?
No.
No.
Why?
I went to different
Because.
it was the one of
watch it right now.
That'd be weird. Ah, Eve, watch out.
That'd be weird. You playing weird.
Eve, watch out!
And I'm looking for
You did. Ah, oops. I forgot to move.
Everyone was squished.
Apart from one girl.
Oh.
Whoa, we can sit on top of it. Wow! I'll press the. Someone pressed. I went through the floor, Eve. I went through the floor.
Looks nice.
Oh, I'm back. Wait, is this just a normal mansion?
Don't think so.
Me either. Then what is it? You need found money.
Ooh, you need found money.
What's that supposed to mean?
Don't know.
No!
I think you've got to find money.
Are we robbing their house?
I found the guy at the temple.
That's nice.
I've never played this before.
And I've never
There's no
robbed a
point.
house before.
No, me either.
I've never played this
Yeah.
before, but I saw another YouTuber
Where
play
have
it.
you?
No.
I fell off the map. I was way too far.
Ooh, dude, they have nice lakes. In one of my wheels, I found 2 diamonds. What?
I'm back. Can we get rid of this already? No, it happened again. That's why. Because people pressed the button and then it disappeared again. Oh, Eve, you're gonna fall again. I should build that house in Bloxburg. It looks nice. Yeah, I'm building that house in Bloxburg soon. Me to see the house in and don't press the button 3. Bloxburg. Yeah, Bloxburg, watch out. Right, I do not want this again because it's annoying now.
Where you were at, and then trying to find my way back home.
When's it gonna stop? We don't want to see that house anymore.
I think we've got to find the map. Oh, I found it.
Press it. Oh! What? Ah!
Oh, dolls.
I did not see that.
What is this? I'm stuck.
Yeah, I kind of got that. But that was crazy. I didn't even see that. That's crazy. Press it.
Press the button.
Wait, what? What's that? Ah! Murder Noob!
Ah!
You'll never murder me, noob.
Well, I'm collecting the flat one.
He ain't murdering me.
Stop.
I haven't even died by him. You ain't murdering me.
Twice.
He ain't murdering me.
Oh yeah, just get on top of that.
Nah, that's not what I'm doing, but I'm actually running around the back of the place. I'm actually doing that. Yes, he's gone. What? Wait, run! You for two!
Already dead.
I just dodged it.
Can you teleport to me?
I did not expect that.
I need torches.
I pressed it. Whoop.
All of it.
Yeah.
Keep eating more food.
I said no to going back to school, and now I miss school, and I regret saying no.
Oh no. I think you were on a different day to me anyway, but still.
I don't think that I was on because
Well, yeah, you're not
I
on.
didn't know what to start.
No, but it goes in like last names order. And yours is
Who
H.
would I be with?
Yeah.
Well, people around H. Who is?
Oh, that's a lot.
I don't know anyone's last name who begins with a H.
Yeah, I got.
Well, it's not just H, it's like the letters around H.
I was just trying to press the button and I was like, why is it not working?
Aw, you're not coming back to school.
I want to come back. Yeah.
Yeah, you were like, nah. What were you like? Were you just like, no, I don't want to go back? Or like, nah, I ain't going back. Screw school.
I was like, nah, I can't be bothered to do homework because I don't do much in the
Whoa.
house.
Yeah, you don't. I do work, so it's basically nothing different. Apart from they're going to give us
Simon
harder
did
work.
homework.
I got them waiting though. Oh well.
And that's all I have to
I
do.
put it with yours. I think it has.
You are gonna have. I'm not being rude. You're gonna have a flat brain when you go back.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, thank.
At my brain, I've been working. And you're gonna have a flat brain, Eve.
No, we need.
Eve, run! Eve, run!
We need.
What's
We
coming
need to
after
have
us?
like an
Look above you!
Nothing.
Ah! If I stand on
I
top
just
of
spin
it,
my camera around and see that coming.
I touch
Yeah,
it.
Joe got here.
Okay. Whoa, you nearly got crushed.
Joe, here you go.
Button! Button. Ah!
What's happening?
What's happening?
What?
Flood escape! I didn't want to play flood escape.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, why are we...
Speed in that.
Wait, where are we supposed to go? Samantha, we have a problem.
This is why we have some. I'm not horses. No killing them.
Ah! Oh, come! Let me in! Let me in! Let me in! No one! This is the best thing ever.
It's my whole fun and now
Oh, ticks! Oh, yeah. Bye, ticks. We'll see. What, you do not know what ticks is?
Oh.
I pressed it!
Every day.
Why did I press? Why did I press that? Me in the middle, they're gonna come in and kill us. You get in the middle. You get in the middle, they're scaring me.
I keep getting blown off. I'm scared.
No! Stay away! Uh-oh. We're in trouble.
I've just thrown that mountain into the lake.
Oh.
We just got squashed.
They're expanding back up.
And then jump down.
There's only
You
one
gotta
survive.
land in the
How did?
middle.
Oh, everyone else must have got crushed.
2 blocks.
Is this the elevator game? I forgot what it's called.
Normal elevator. I love that game.
Me too. We should do that for our next video.
Yeah, we should. I want to play that later with you though.
Just teleport.
Right, press the button.
For Sunday's video for the normal elevator.
Yeah. Unless I'm busy. Yeah, I was busy last Sunday, guys.
Oh,
I was actually out the whole day because Eve didn't call me, and she can give you proof. Well, you did call me at one point, but then remember I said I had to go, and then like I didn't call you back.
now I'm in the case.
Noob just killed me.
I was out for most of the days. After you said I have to go, I was out for like loads of hours.
But then you did film me a video, didn't you?
Yeah, there's that with it.
Yeah.
It's scary to jump down.
What did you film? What did you film?
Phoning you and you.
Right.
Yeah. What did you film it on?
The face tool.
And
And it's gotta be one you actually like when you pick them.
Wait.
I'm just glad it's the weekend. What are we supposed to do in there? I'm just glad it's the weekend. We can stay up late-ish. Not like I stay up late anyway, guys. Like, it's kind of a normal thing
We
here.
need to get out of the case bio.
Oh yeah, I filmed it on Tower of
Yeah, for me and Eve, it's not that bad of staying up that late, is it, Eve? We'd stay up late.
Sandline.
Right, I pressed the button.
Oh no.
Build a house. Ah! Get in the house! Get in the house.
Get to the other house.
Wait, what? Oh, there's another. Yeah, I'm going back. Eve.
Hey.
It's over there.
Teleport us when
It's
you're
complete.
out.
Oh, it's coming towards us.
literally
It's coming towards us.
Llama.
It's coming towards
You're
us.
literally
I want to actually get sucked into it, to be honest. That seems fun. Suck me in. Come on now. Don't miss out on a great
Wait,
opportunity.
there's another one here.
No.
I probably meant
This looks like Bloxburg.
Hang on, I see something. Is that another well? I think it is.
Ticks. Why do ticks keep appearing?
Yes, another well.
Look at all the ticks they have.
I
wish ticks were still around. What was the worst Roblox update? Obviously. Eve, what do you think was the worst Roblox update? Mine is when they added guests. I mean, removed guests.
Yeah.
Although, if there's one thing I kind of not like, is I kind of like the animations, but the Afro skins. Afro is just...
I like some afros, but not all.
Yeah, some are cool. Like, some are actually really cool, but some of them, it's just weird. Like, Roblox is always known for being blocky and stuff. Like, no! But Roblox is known for being, like, blocks and stuff, like, isn't it? They're not just going to change it to these weird shaped things, are they?
Hey Joe, I just
Afro is
I
so...
just realised what somebody said in the chat, so I'm answering them.
Who thinks bleach tastes like candy?
Me.
Me.
Okay. Guys, abandon the Acacia village.
Ooh, we're in there.
And it's where when we were on a road trip, we passed by and abandoned the Acacia
You
village.
want to do it?
Wait, I'm trying to think of...
Wait! We've gone back around in an entire circle! Literally, I'm looking at our
Oh,
house!
that's how we go. I was trying to jump up.
No, I tried typing why does poison ivy?
Oh
Why does...
my god!
Also, why does poison ivy taste like cheese? It does though, Eve. For some reason, why does it taste like cheese? I mean, like...
Yeah. I know why.
Why doesn't it taste of sausages? Ah! Tsunami's coming!
Even though I swam.
My favorite disaster in natural disaster survivor is 100% the tsunami. I just like tsunamis, they're cool.
Yeah.
Get in.
Yeah, I got you, my love.
I'm up! I'm safe.
Have
It's taking over.
Have Iron Man.
Oh, I only just...
Yeah, I was just like, Eve, did you survive?
Iron Man's attacking me.
What?
Iron Man!
I wish it knocked
Flip,
over
I
the
only
good.
touched you
Ah!
once.
Thomas, leave me! Don't leave me!
21.
Next time, I'm gonna stand here from now on to make Thomas spawn on me.
I know. It hit me way more times.
Howling ball, howling.
I hit them all.
Howling ball is way too fast.
Bye, love you.
Look what it makes our characters
Have a
look
good
like.
day,
It's
honey.
weird.
I know.
I'm a
We're Slenders.
I just jumped up now back to one
What?
house or something.
Jokes.
Why?
I'm doing padlock.
Oh, another one.
Why?
Because we both said slenders.
Teleport.
Wait, Thomas? Thomas?
Don't turn into
Oh no, not Thomas! Not Thomas! Wait, no, I thought they were only coming from there.
We're the dinosaurs now.
Yes.
Yay! I swear I was in this
Oh,
before.
that was
This
an
is
easy
like
one.
maybe.
It's a no.
Oh!
What just happened?
The gnome killed us.
Oh well,
He
guys.
shot out lasers.
Close it now.
Thomas! Come back! Don't leave me! Ah!
Do remember
No!
It just glitched.
How do you walk through walls, Eve?
I wanna see.
You're gonna have to survive some more, Eve. They're still coming.
Where from?
Oh, guys! died.
You didn't even see.
Bad guy. Can't jump high below.
You were just like, oh.
This video's gone quick. 40 minutes.
Guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna film for a bit longer. I don't really want to stop
The
now.
new
It's
one.
fun. Ah!
Look at this.
Oh,
I got killed because I was the one who pressed the button.
I'm the only one who survived. It's like throwing every. Oh, I still survived.
Careful not to punch.
Hi, noob.
Save Noobers.
Last clip.
He's exploding.
You okay?
What happened, noob? Eve, how do you die?
I did
Oh, wait. We're in a glass dome.
Spikes.
Glass shards. I'm gonna look up so I can see if one's about to point into my head. I think we're safe.
I don't know.
What are we supposed? Let me up! Let me up! Let me up!
I think we should have gone down there.
I'm still alive.
We do. Oh no, we're gonna get squished.
Why are you sinking under the ground,
That's
Eve?
the witch's cabin thing.
Eve, you're sinking under the ground.
So are you.
Wait, not on my screen. Oh, on our screens we're safe. What's this supposed to be about? What?
Okay, guys.
I pressed the no.
What just happened to me?
The noob.
I saw him get blown up in the cage. What happened?
Yeah, he just got blown up in the cage.
I don't know why it's not. No, it's not working well.
Stop killing people, my newbie friend. Eve, watch out. Oh, there we go.
I'm just running around in circles.
Wait, maybe you're
Around these small huts. Oh.
What is it gonna be? That person was just so. I want Thomas back. Ah! Not again.
Oh, minus. So Joseph's a good.
Not again.
Joseph's a good jumper. Mine's a good speeder.
Uh-oh. This is bad, isn't it? This is bad.
No, I can't.
Leave us alone, Fanny hasn't seen any of our YouTube channels.
I'm gonna try and find.
I got pushed.
Face planted.
I just went through the. I just went through the floor.
Oh, what's happening? Help me, my pants got caught in the hanger. Oh, makes sense.
Yes, I do that all the time.
That happens a lot.
Yeah, I do that. I do that all the time.
Yeah.
You know when you just go.
When
You know when you're just walking down the stairs and you accidentally fall, but then you accidentally trip over and do a front flip into a handstand. Then you jump up and then your hanger all of a sudden knocks over and caughts onto your trousers. That happens to me all the time.
Yeah, I know. It's weird.
Yeah, happens a lot. I feel you, mate.
I feel
Horse is okay.
That's so weird. I feel ya.
You fell off an mountain.
And this disco pad stop. It's raving my
Oh, it
eyes.
should be floating.
Oh, there we go. Pizzas! Watch out! Watch out!
Lovely.
I'm supposed to eat this like I did earlier.
I thought they were trying to kill me. I want Thomas back.
Me too.
Ah!
Ah!
What's this? What's this? That sounds like I'm speaking to my dog. What's this? Even stuck in a wall. I'm not sure if I'm going to include Cameron in my description. He hasn't even said a word.
Cameron, what are you talking about? Like, can you hear your mum?
You're like, oh, there you go. Eve, we're all in different. Hi, Eve, we're together.
Teleport me to you.
Wait. Oh, no. Not again. Not again.
Whoa, that's cool.
What?
If you look up
Yeah.
while laughing, spikes are coming.
Go away, glass shards. We want other stuff. This game is fun.
I can tell after eating that. Oh, he's back!
Yeah, it's such a common thing, isn't it?
It happens all the time.
Yeah.
All the time.
Ah!
We both died.
No.
I needed Thomas, not that.
Me and Joe. Wait, so I get the next
Save the
one.
Thomases.
Guys, stand up! Watch out! Thomas Phantom.
We need Save the Thomases.
59:60.
I don't care if we don't
Save the
set the time today.
Thomases? I don't know. It's not.
It's like the normal elevator, I think.
Is it? Open up, FBI! Open up!
Me and you just battling to get in there.
Ah! No! Get out! Get out!
I just stayed in there having a party with them.
We were so desperate to get in, and when they came out, we just ran away. we were just like, nah. We were just like, nah, not today.
Wait, also me and you were just like, get in.
And we're just like, nah, I don't feel like it.
It's getting bigger.
Oh. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.